Introduction. Entering the golden years often brings abrupt changes in daily life. Many older adults suddenly find that the roles and identities they once held, professional expert, teacher, community leader, begin to fade after retirement. Declining physical abilities, shrinking social circles, and growing uncertainty about the future can all push seniors toward heightened anxiety. Rather than relying solely on classes, clinics, or medication, families can build a strong safety net through everyday presence, heartfelt conversations, and thoughtful gestures that reinforce a sense of security and belonging. Loss of role and sense of purpose. Situation overview. After retirement, those who once thrived in bustling workplaces and enjoyed the respect of their peers can feel their values slipping away. Psychological impact. Repeatedly asking, "What am I good for now?" can lead to sleepless nights, pessimism, or even physical symptoms like headaches or fatigue. Case study. 68-year-old Robert saw himself as useless after leaving his managerial post. Mornings became a struggle. "I have no energy," he'd say, and chronic insomnia left him perpetually drained. Family strategies. Set new goals together, encourage volunteering, gardening projects, or documenting family history to foster a renewed sense of purpose. Involve them in your routine, invite them on morning walks or ask for household advice, restoring decision-making confidence. Celebrate milestones, host small family show and tell gatherings or virtual calls to highlight their achievements and express gratitude. Heightened health worries. Hidden challenge. Chronic conditions, hearing loss, and balance issues make everyday activities feel risky, sparking fears of serious health crises. Psychological impact. Over time, every headache or chest twinge can be catastrophized as a life-threatening emergency, intensifying anxiety. Case study. 72-year-old Mary, living with high blood pressure and arthritis, feared that a simple sneeze could trigger a stroke. Nighttime restlessness and daytime irritability soon took over. Family strategies. Accompany to appointments. Sit in on doctor visits to clarify medical advice and dispel misunderstandings. Co-create a wellness plan. Schedule daily walks or gentle stretches as shared activities to support physical and mental health. Provide daily check-ins. Spend a few minutes each evening discussing any discomfort and offering reassurance. Shrinking social circle and loneliness challenge overview. Friends pass away, children become busy, and once frequent chats fade, leaving seniors socially isolated and lonely. Psychological impact. In the absence of emotional support, minor setbacks can spiral into deep sadness and worry. Case study. 75-year-old Susan withdrew after losing lifelong friends. She stopped attending community events, and without regular interactions, felt abandoned and anxious. Family strategies. Host neighborhood meetups. Invite peers for tea, board games, or casual gatherings to revive social bonds. Teach digital connectivity. Help them master video calls to stay in touch with distant friends and family. Encourage group hobbies. Introduce clubs, book circles, choir groups, or dance classes that blend socializing with fun. Financial insecurity and daily life concerns challenge overview. Worries about living on a fixed income, rising medical bills, or supporting adult children can cause money anxiety, leading some seniors to avoid outings or social events. Psychological impact. Constantly monitoring every penny can amplify stress and limit life's simple pleasures. Case study. 70-year-old John recalculated his grocery budget at every trip, convinced he'd run out of fun money, and skipped community lunches to save a few dollars. Family strategies. Joint financial planning. Review pensions, insurance, and family support to create transparent monthly budgets. Open communication. Share household income and expense realities to ease misconceptions and guilt. Small-scale practice. Accompany them on shopping trips using shared accounts so they feel financially supported. Fear of falling behind in a digital world challenge overview. Rapid tech advances, mobile banking, health apps, contactless payment can bewilder seniors, fueling fears of obsolescence. Psychological impact. Feeling left behind often leads to withdrawal and resignation, worsening loneliness. Case study: 78-year-old Peter refused to shop because he couldn't master QR code scanning, convinced he was a burden to store staff. Family strategies. Patient hands-on training. Break lessons into simple steps. Unlock the phone first, then show how to scan, avoiding information overload. Customized guides. Provide large print, step-by-step instructions they can reference anytime. Reward progress. Celebrate each new skill like treating them to coffee after successfully placing an online order. Becoming your parent's emotional guardian. Track daily mood. Use a journal or quick voice notes to note anxiety triggers and patterns. Schedule heart-to-hearts. Set aside 30 minutes after dinner for worry-free, open conversation. Plan shared activities. Commit to at least 2 weekly outings, walks, cooking together, or movie nights, to foster connection. Encourage professional help. If self-care strategies aren't enough, gently suggest medical or psychological support. Connect them with peers. Recommend senior support groups, online forums, or local community centers, so they find solidarity and shared understanding. Long-term benefits: strengthen bonds. Regular presence deepens family relationships. Reduced anxiety. Timely reassurance prevents spirals of worry. Restored confidence. Engaging roles and accomplishments boost self-esteem. Improved well-being. Better sleep, appetite, and energy follow emotional stability. Shared growth. Children learn empathy and responsibility, enriching intergenerational ties. Conclusion: senior anxiety isn't just an individual struggle, it's a signal calling for family unity. Every caring question, every moment of listening, acts like morning sunlight, gradually lifting the shadows from an elder's heart. Starting today, let's embrace patience and presence, guiding our loved ones past the reefs of retirement anxiety toward a tranquil, confident future.